Now let's go to the second question. Prepare word trains of the following as shown. Here children, you have to write down different nouns that you know and you have to make a word train. Let's see the first example that is done for us. Fruits. So the first fruit or noun that is written is plum. Now children, you have to look at the last letter. Plum ends in M. So your next word has to start with M and it has to be a fruit. So we have written mango. Now let's look at last letter of mango. O. That means your next word or next fruit has to start with O. So orange. This is how you make a word train. The last letter of your word should be the first letter of your next word. Now let's do some other examples. People. You can write the names that you want to. I have written Rahul, which is the name of a boy. Now Rahul ends in the letter L. That means my second name has to start with L. Lavina. Lavina ends in A, so my third name has to start with A. Asha. So here we have made a word train of names of people. You can try your own names. C is countries. India. India ends in A. So my next country has to start with A. So I have written Australia. Australia again ends in A. So I need a new country's name with A. Afghanistan. Here again children, you can try out countries that you know. Then we have rivers. Ganga, which is the name of a river. It ends in the letter A. My next river will start with A. Amravati. This ends in I. So my new river has to start with I. Indus. Then games. Cricket, which ends with T. So my next game has to start with T. Table tennis. Table tennis ends with S. So my next game has to start with S. Soccer, which is nothing but football. Things. Bat ends with T. So my next thing has to start with T. Table ends with E. So my next thing will start with E. So I've written engine. And the last one, vegetables. Brinjal. It ends with the letter L. So my next vegetable has to start with L. Ladyfinger. Ladyfinger ends with R. So my next vegetable has to start with the letter R. So radish. So in this way, we have prepared word trains for different things. Children, you can try this word train using all the nouns that you know. Practice doing it on your own. Thank you and have a nice day.